Okay, the computer's started now. I've just got you on speakerphone so I can work on the computer.
Okay.
Yep, okay, the computer's started up.
Okay. Now, at the left-hand side, at the bottom corner, can you find the start button?
The start button?
Yeah?
Yep, the start button.
Yeah, just click on the start button.
On the start button.
Yeah. Now, can you find a control panel?
Was that the start button?
Yes, click on the start button.
Was that the start button?
Did you click? Yes, yes.
The start button?
Did you click? Yes, sir.
Yep, the start button.
Yeah. Now, can you click on control panel?
Was that the start button?
Yes, sir.
The start button?
Can you find I told you yes.
Was that the start button?
Yes, sir. Can you hear me?
Do I push the start button?
Yes.
How long do I push the button for?
I'm sorry?
Was that the start button?
Yes, click on start.
The start button?
You, at the left-hand side bottom, can you see start option with a flag logo?
Is that the button that says start?
Is your computer on right now? Can you please tell me, sir?
Oh no, do you want me to turn the computer on?
Yes, absolutely. Then only we can guide you. Okay?
Okay, I'll push the start button.
Yes.
Okay, the computer's on.
And what can you see on the screen?
I can see start button.
Where you can see start button?
Yeah, start button.
Where you can see that, sir? Can you please tell me so that I can understand you're on the right page?
Yep, it's on the page there, the start button.
Okay, so where is the start button on the screen?
It's on the screen. The start button. Is it the start button you want? On the screen start button?
No, where you can see
What start button?
the middle or the top or the right hand side?
It's on the screen, the start button. Do I push the start button on the screen? The start button?
Where on the screen? Is it on the middle?
It's on the screen, the start button. On the left right side of the start. Do you want the start button? Okay. Can you push start? Yeah, the start button? Start button? Yeah. The start button. Do you push the start button?
Yes.
Yes. The start button.
And after clicking on start, yes, after clicking on start button, what you can see?
Okay, I've pushed the start button.
And after that, what you have got?
Do you want me to? Is that the start button?
You press the start button, and after that, let me know what you can see.
Okay. Yep, start button.
And after that, what you can see?
I can see the start button still.
You put it in your arm, start button.
Yep, you got the start button. Nice. Yeah.